Every great process begins at the source. This is where raw food meets machinery. Precision starts right in the field. Quality is judged before processing even begins. Scale defines modern food production. Raw harvest becomes bulk supply. Every kilogram is accounted for.
Timing keeps freshness alive.
Nothing is left to chance.
Uniformity begins at selection.
Freshness is locked in early.
The journey continues beyond the farm. From earth to industry. The harvest enters an industrial world. Accuracy protects consistency. Every movement follows a plan.
This is the gateway to processing.
Gravity becomes the first machine. Gentle handling preserves quality. One load down, thousands to follow. The raw stream moves inward.
Cleaning starts before washing.
Data drives the flow. Continuity keeps production alive. Transport ends where transformation begins. Now, the real process starts. Clean potatoes are the foundation of quality.
Even tiny impurities are separated early.
Human eyes complement machine precision. Consistency and size ensures even cooking. Safety standards prevent contamination. Advanced optics ensure perfect selections. Order emerges from variety. Nothing slips through unnoticed. Preparation ensures efficiency downstream. The skin is removed, but the essence remains. Even after peeling, quality control remains. Ready for transformation into fries. Precision cutting begins the signature shape. Rinsing ensures crisp perfection later. Every fry must be treated equally. Blanching locks in taste and texture. Moisture is carefully managed. A perfect fry needs precise dryness. Heat begins the golden transformation.
Partial cooking sets the stage for freezing.
Every drop counts toward consistency. Rapid freezing preserves shape and flavor. Even frozen, quality cannot be compromised. From raw to frozen, the journey evolves. Flavor is added with precision and care.
Excess is captured, nothing wasted.
Even coatings must meet high standards.
Human eyes complement automation.
Rapid freezing locks in taste and structure. Consistency is measured before packaging. Every bag starts with exact measurements. Uniform portions ensure consistent servings. Packaging begins the journey to consumers. Sealed tight to lock in freshness. Even final packaging is double-checked. Branding and information are applied precisely.
The audio features a narrator's voice speaking over the mechanical sounds of a factory. The transcription is, from raw to sealed.
Automation ensures speed and accuracy in handling. Protection and stability are built into every pallet. Intelligent tracking keeps inventory flawless. Autonomous systems handle the heaviest tasks. Temperature control preserves quality at every step. Order and precision maximize storage efficiency. Continuous monitoring keeps conditions perfect. Every order is handled with exact precision. Automation works seamlessly with human oversight. Maintaining cold chain integrity is crucial. Checks and balances ensure flawless delivery.
From automation, the fries are ready to reach the world.
Every pallet is staged for precise delivery. Heavy loads handled with care.
Cold chain begins the journey beyond the plant.
Distribution networks connect factory to market.
And this is how modern factories produce frozen French fries from start to finish.